Kit Kats are made using imperfect Kit Kats. Every rejected Kit Kat is meshed into the paste fillings of Kit Kat. That little box that man is holding is nuclear core of Fat Man, the bomb that destroyed Nagasaki. This tissue used by the Lionel Messi in his farewell speech at Barcelona press conference is being for $1 million. The world's most extreme toilet is located in Siberia at the edge of a cliff, 2,600 meters above sea level. The longest Monopoly game in a bathtub was 99 hours long. I am feeling lucky button cost Google $110 million per year. Early 1900s, firemen shoot for the firemen to get closer to the fire. Finland has a wife carrying competition. The winner receives his wife's weight in beer. Listening to your favorite song before bed can help you sleep better, wake up easier, and enhance your mood for the upcoming day. She is 105, he is 106. The world's oldest living couple celebrates 80 years of marriage. Uttarakhand government is about to start spooky tourism. According to government, there are more than 15 proved paranormal haunted sites. To attract foreign tourists, government will start official tours to these sites. A woman will spend almost 3,500 days of her life menstruating. That is equal to approximately 9.8 years. Bihar man distributes 49,000 helmets worth rupees 2 crore after friend dies in a road accident. In 1953, due to the high speed of the F-11 fighter jet shot itself because it was faster than its own bullet. Public phones are outdated due to cellular phones, so the telephone booths are converted to goldfish aquariums in Osaka, Japan. There is a game, Sad Satan, which is on deep web. It is so scary that it can make you mentally unstable. There is no record of who made this game. Google hid this game in search and YouTube banned all these videos. Game has a coded song which when cracked can give you a way to contact spirits. Chinese developer builds 10-story building in Changsha in just over 28 hours. In Japan, many schools and companies organize crying workshops to encourage their students or staff to cry in an effort to relieve stress and to help them feel comfortable and able to share their emotions. Neymar liked Money Heist so much that he actually requested to be a part of the show. He played the role of Monk in season 3. Jonathan Lee Riches got the Guinness World Record for having filed the highest number of lawsuits in the world. When he heard of this, he sued the Guinness Book of World Records. In Brazil, a couple planted 2 million trees in 20 years to create a forest. A man who burnt $2 million because he was short of firewood and his daughter was feeling cold. Meet Don Pablo Escobar. Company creates portable fish tank called the Katsugo bag so you can take your pet fish on the go with you. 27-year-old Soviet doctor Leonid Rogozov performing surgery on himself to remove an infected appendix during a 1961 expedition where he was the only doctor in the team. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.